Survived another winter. Well, this is it. I just can't believe it. You know how long we've been waiting around for this? And it's finally here. What am I talking about? Warm weather. These poor chickens, they've been in here for months. I don't know if they're gonna be out today, but they can feel it. I cut some of the plastic. I actually opened up a window for them yesterday. This weekend it's supposed to get up to 15 degrees. I can't wait. Let's see how these chickens are doing. They've been in here by themselves for, well, a month and a half now. No outside, too cold. Canadian winters. So now we're gonna check them out and see how they're doing. How are you chickens doing? Look at that sunshine. Hey, you want a drink of that water? I know it's floody, eh? Well, hello, chickens. Look at you. Do you want that window open? I bet you do. Are you missing the window being open? Here, let me open it for you. Woo, there we go. There we go. I doubt too many of you are gonna go out there because it's still a little wet. I'm gonna put this board here, so if you want to go out, you really can. How are you chickens doing? Hey? How are you chickens doing? Boy, it's dark in here. Hey? How come it's so dark in here, guys? The light's on. The light's on. There we go. I don't know why that happened like that, but you guys look like you need some scratch. Holy, look at you all. Are you happy? Spring's coming. Another way I know spring is coming is because yesterday I went up to my horse and I scratched his butt, her butt, Devin, and hair everywhere. They're starting to shed. So a video I'll have to get into is actually brushing them out so you can see actually how much of a second coat during the winter horses have and why they're not really cold when they are outside. Hey, you want some of this, chickens? Have some of that, chickens. They always love getting their scratch in the morning. There's Cody, the rooster, pushing. Hey, don't be pecking. Why are you pecking? Oh my gosh. I know you're not little Fred because little Fred's right here. Right, little Fred? Yeah. Who else we got in here? We got everybody in here. Oh, look. There is Shadow. It's almost springtime, Shadow. Look at that sunshine coming in. You're loving that, aren't you? Get up in that window. Shadow's gonna check out the window. Or maybe Shadow's gonna fly outside. I don't know. Well, chickens, it's almost springtime. You know what that means? That means time to clean up the coop. You get to go outside. Oh my gosh, there's like a chicken fight going on. Hey, no fighting in the coop. Cooper rules say no fighting. And because it's not really cold out today. Hey, chickens. My goodness, they're having a conundrum. Because it's not so cold out, I can leave the eggs till later when I come back. Boy, them chickens, they're loving it. What's all the yelling about? What's all the yelling about in here? You all looking for a place to lay your eggs? We'll get in there. We got any eggs down there already? Oh, there's a couple in there. I'll leave you be. You'll be all right. I can't open this door yet. Oh yeah, I got a real Christmas tree in here. Just to keep them a little sense of greenery around because there's not much green in here. It's mostly little hay, straw, chicken poop, but all in all, they're generally pretty happy. I know they can't wait to get outside. It's not quite outside time. Give it another day when it's gonna be like 15 degrees. And then we'll have to start cleaning her up. The old spring cleaning, right? Remember the spring cleaning? Oh my. You're very talkative. Why are you so talkative? What have you got to say? You wanna come tell everybody? Holy, why is everybody fighting and pecking each other today? Did you not sleep well? Oh my. This one's a fighter. Why are you in there fighting? By the looks of all those ladies lining up to the laying boxes, they all gotta go. Y'all gotta lay, ladies? Well, just pick one. Why are you going up there picking on the head? Hey, don't be picking on them. Hey, now, I'm gonna intervene here. Don't be picking on other chickens. You got that? You bad chicken. Don't be a bad chicken. You know what happens to bad chickens? Soup. Oh, she's mad about that one. Oh, you're a good defender? You don't want to be soup either? Well, then just be nice. Can you be nice today? You look like you got a little bit of frostbite on the bottom of your wattle. We're gonna have to put you in some intensive care or something. Well, it looks like these chickens have some issues to hammer out. Hey, chickens. How are you ladies doing? First time outside when the snow is all melted, you little well summer. And this one, you can't really see until you do see it. There it is, the brown on her neck. Hi, Shadow. Shadow's checking out the spring weather. First time outside in a while. I can see a chicken butt. Hey, chicken, you got your head in a hole? There you are. Puppy cheeks. Enjoying the spring. Gotta love spring. The weather, the warmth. It's awesome. Hey, Cody, you watch over those ladies when I'm gone. What can possibly be wrong with these birds? Are they having a seizure? Nope. They're basically having a dust bath with a little bit of that straw cut up and, well, there's a little bit of dirt and some rocks in there by the looks of it. But no, they're just having a bath. Snow's melting. It's getting warm enough to open the door. We're gonna have to rip off some of this plastic too once it gets hot, because the hot and the humidity will trap the moisture in here, and we don't want the moisture in here trapped. How are you ladies? Little scratch on the floor? How are you doing? That good? Well, that's good to hear. Survived another winter. Survived another winter. So yeah, this winter, it's been really cold. For like 2 weeks, it was minus 29. And we didn't lose one chicken. All of our chickens are happy and healthy, just the way it should be. But I can see another video coming up here, another coop cleaner, because it's a mess. Have fun. Stay tuned for that one, and don't forget to hit that like. Why, it's little Fred. How you doing, little Fred? You look like you didn't handle that time change well. Get in there and get some of that scratch. Yes, sirree. It's the first full day outside. It's the beginning of spring. And all these chickens loving it. Although there's not much grass, we got to get some framework down here with some screens on it. Let some grass grow up that I can move around and get you fresh patches of grass, because, yeah, you're chickens. You love grass. Grass is what you do. Right, chickens? Isn't spring lovely? Spring is lovely. This is their first time running around. They've been inside because it's been so cold and so wintry. But now it's like, today I think is 12 degrees. They're not even interested in that long row of scratch. They'd rather just peck around and look for little worms and bugs that are poking through. Good luck, little worms and bugs that are poking through. This video is approved. Chicken soup with Grumbles. Come and get you some. Chicken soup with Grumbles. Have some fun. But when it gets to the bottom of the pile, got to have back. Whip out her beak and she'll start getting slap happy. Chicken soup.